Hi guys! So hulaan niyo ang lakad ko for today. Of course, sa aking dental. Magpapabrace adjustment po tayo today. So, let's go! By the way, this is Misty. So, tara, let's go. Pasok na tayo guys. So, this is the inside. Let's go to the waiting area guys. This is for boys or men. And this is for the girls. Let's go. Pasok na tayo kay Doc. Inaantay na tayo. So, this is Doc Cavita, our orthodontist specialist. So, if you have questions about paano magpa-brace or anything, just message through WhatsApp. I will post it on my video. So, message lang po kayo. May mga Pinay din po silang nag-a-assist. Okay? So, huwag mahiyang magtanong. So, ito din yung mga kulay na gusto nyo. If you want, pwede kayo magpili ng color. It's your choice naman po, guys. And yung location po nila ay nasa Dubai Islamic Bank. Sa taas po nun, 5th floor. So, ibibigay ko na lang yung message info or yung phone number nila sa WhatsApp. Just message them for more inquiries, guys. Dr. Cavita is so good dentist. So, by the way guys, uwi na. Tapos na. Ito yung alagang Doc Cavita. Al-Anak Dental Clinic. So, kung gusto nyo din, try nyo na. Thank you for watching. Mwah.